My name is Jalem Cutting. I go by Jay Cutting, and I graduated in 2008. Like any young student just graduating, I had to figure it out, right? I had to figure out the journey I was gonna take. I was always told that sales was something that I should get into, so I kind of just followed that journey. I had a friend who moved to Los Angeles, California, and he got into solar. One thing led to another. I've moved out there to just jump into the industry. I then created Revamp in 2015 as a sales and marketing company. We did well, we did that for a few years, but then I started seeing writing on the wall that the industry was evolving and it was best for me to be prepared for that. So now, not only do we do the sales, we self-perform and we build the systems ourselves. Fast forwarded, March will be our 10-year reunion of when we started the company, so we're excited about that. And we've installed over 1,000 systems within those 10 years. My time here at Wooster, being in a liberal arts setting, working on the foundations of the pillars of education is really what allowed me to be successful. It set me up. I speak well, I write well. Any advice of anyone wanting to start a company or any young entrepreneurs out there, I think really what separates people are the people who are really a student to their craft. You're constantly learning, you'll never know it all, take a humble approach to it, and then never give up. There were plenty of times I was stressed out, no sleep, wondering if this was the right decision for me or if this is what I should be doing. And I just held on. It was about year 6 going into year 7. I landed a really big job and it changed everything, and we're looking to continue to grow.